Certified by military standard, this Armor Defender series case provides comprehensive protection for iPhone 13 Pro. After rigorous testing by engineers, this multi-armor case for iPhone 13 Pro can be dropped 4,500 plus times from 10 feet without damage, effectively protecting your phone from drops and scratches. Thin profile slips easily into tight pockets. The one-piece design pops on and off in a flash, and durable protection shields against drops, bumps, and fumbles. Compatible with Apple MagSafe charger and wireless charging, made with 50% recycled plastic and raised edges that protect camera and screen. Made of premium liquid silicone, smooth touch, anti-fingerprints, comfortable to grip, easy to clean, dust can be wiped with a damp cloth. Soft and anti-skid lining on the interior protect your phone from abrasion. Multi-layer defense from the solid inner shell and resilient outer slipcover with port covers that block dirt, dust, and lint from getting into jacks and ports. Made of 50% recycled plastic, the Screenless design provides flawless touch response and included holster works as a belt clip and a hands-free kickstand.